morning and welcome to my channel, Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you another recipe, chapati or flatbread. So this is very popular in north part of India and everybody is very good in doing it. So I'm going to show you ingredients. I've taken 1.5 cup wheat flour and we just need some oil or butter or ghee, optional, and some water. Mixed up with the water, and this has been sitting for 15 minutes on the counter so that it becomes soft like this, and now it's ready for rolling into chapatis. Cut into portions. Just press it like this. I'm just going to make all into small portions. I got 10, 15, almost 20 of them. Flour, dry wheat flour. So just pick round portion and just press this into the wheat flour and roll this. And there are 2 or 3 kinds. Just you can do this plain as pulkas, and you can apply oil or even ghee and just apply oil and fold it. This is called even plain paratha. And now fold it into quarter and roll them. Already my tawa is hot and I'm going to take this and put it on tawa. So once the wetness on the wheat flour dries up, we need to turn it. So once it puffs up, I'm using my hands, but don't use your hand, be cautious. Turn it, then apply some butter. I wanted to use the other side of the butter. You need to press like this. And you need to find spots like this, brown spots. This is another way. Just we need to roll it into a oblong shape and just make a dent and fold it. apply some wheat flour. So there are 2 layers and 4 layers parathas, and no, if you don't apply any oil inside and just do it only once without any foldings, then they are called pulkas. No oil is applied. So you can do either of kind parathas or pulkas. You can apply oil or butter or ghee. This looks perfect, and I'll show you how it looks inside. It looks layering like this. I'm going to eat with besan or pitla, but you can eat with any curries. There are so many curries on my channel. It's nice, crispy, and tastes too good with besan. Usually they eat with puri, but I like to avoid oil fry. I'm taking one more bite. Tastes too good. If you like my recipe, share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and full description check in my description box. Thank you for watching, and see you with one more new recipe. Until then, bye.